Hi children, how are you? After a long time you are having class. So you got disturbed your education because of COVID-19. So we would like to bring back you to your education. So that is the reason we are trying to give the education through online. So in 6th class, you are going to learn first lesson, reading and making maps. So you see that maps tell us several things about the different places. Several things means the maps says about where that place is located, whether the place is located on the sea, or whether the place is located on the mountains, or whether it is in the desert, and the how much hot or cold is that place, or how much it receives the rainfall, or what kind of trees and plants grow in that place, what kind of people live in that place, and also what language the people speak there. All these things we can know from the maps. We can know all these things from where? From the maps. Okay children, so can we know all these things from one single map? No. You may not get all the information from a single map. To know the information, we have to go through the different maps. So children, in this lesson, you are going to learn about types of maps, sketch map, directions on map, scale, symbols. What will you learn in this class? In this chapter, you will learn the topics like types of maps, sketch map, directions on map, scale and symbols. Okay children, first I would like to ask a question that what is a map? What is the question? What is a map? So can anybody? Okay, I will give you the answer. What is map? Map is a representation or a drawing of total or the part of the earth's surface drawn on a flat surface according to the scale. That is called a map. Do you understand children? Okay, I repeat. Listen carefully. If possible, write on your paper or write in the notebook. Okay, I will tell you what is a map. Map is a representation or a drawing of total or the part of the earth's surface drawn on a flat surface according to the scale. It is called a map. Okay children, do you understand? So I will write the definition of map. You see and copy that. What is a map? Map is a representation or drawing of total or part of Earth's surface drawn on a flat surface according to the scale. Okay children, if possible we note down this definition. So once again I repeat, what is a map? Map is a representation or drawing of total or the part of the earth's surface drawn on a flat surface according to the scale. Here the flat surface means what? It may be the flat board or a wall or on a paper, whatever it may be. It should be the how would be the surface? The surface should be the flat. Okay children, do you understand what is map? Okay, next we go to the types of maps. So here we have different types of maps. So we cannot, I told you, this information we cannot get from a single map. So that is the reason we have to go through different kinds of maps. So I will write what are the kinds of maps. See, maps. Political map, and outline map, then thematic map, then physical map. Do you understand children? Here we have different kinds of maps. So political map, outline map, thematic map and physical map. Political map, what does the political map shows? The political map shows countries, states, cities, like this. Various places are shown in the political map. Then outline map, just it is the outline of a place or a country or the world or the district or the state. It doesn't indicate any place, but it shows only outline or it shows only borders of that place. Then here you have another map. What is that? That is thematic map. What does this map shows? This thematic map, from this thematic map we can know how high or low the places are, how much temperature or temperature and pressure of the place can be known from the thematic map, and rainfall, wind, and also you can know from this map routes of the different places, or you can know the different roadways from these thematic maps. I'll write here. How high or low temperature and pressure, rainfall, railways, roadways, airways, etc. from this map. Next one, what is that? Physical map. So from this physical map we can know the mountains, plains, plateaus, rivers, forests, etc. Okay, children. So these are the different kinds of maps: political map, outline map, thematic map, and the physical map. So these are the types of maps. Next, you know about the sketch map. What is a sketch map? What is a sketch map? A rough drawing or a painting or the outline diagram is called a sketch map. I repeat, listen carefully. What is a sketch map? A rough drawing, painting or the outline diagram is called the sketch map. So in this lesson, you see that there is a conversation between the Laila and Mallika. One day, Laila wanted to come to Mallika's house. So she doesn't know how to reach to the Mallika's house from the bus stand. So Mallika, she sent a sketch map to the Laila. So it means she sent a rough drawing to Laila to reach to her house. Okay, children. So next one we see about what is that? Directions. You know how many directions are there? Yes, children. Do you know how many directions are there? Yes. You know, you are very clever. You can answer to these questions. How many directions are there? Yes, we have 4 directions. How many directions? 4 directions. What are those? East, west, north and south. How many directions are there? 4 directions are there. What are those? East, west, north and south. Okay, children. So, and there are other 4 more directions. They are called sub-directions. What are those sub-directions? They are, so there is a line between north, east and north and east. That direction is called northeast direction. The direction between south and east, that is called southeast direction. And there is a direction between south and west, that is called southwest direction. Then there is another direction between north and west, that is called northwest direction. Okay, children, these are the directions. So next, how to find out the directions? So now you see that you face towards the east. You see that? Look at me. So which direction I faced? I am facing to the east. Then what will be the west? Just which is the direction which is just behind me is west. And which direction is on my left? It is north. Which direction is there on my right? That is south. Do you understand? Otherwise, you face towards the south. You face towards the south. And which direction is behind me? That is north. Which direction is there on my right? That is west. Which direction is there on my left? That is east. Okay, children, like this you face a direction and find out other directions. Okay, children, then we see how the directions are shown on a map. How the directions are shown on a map. Okay, now I will draw a rough map of India. Okay, so what is that? It is, you imagine that it is India map. So always on the map, the north is shown on the top. Where is the north shown on the map? The north is shown on the top. This is north. So then always the bottom. The south will be shown in the bottom. Then right side of the map is east and left will be the west. Understand, children? Always north will be shown on the top, south is in the bottom, right, east and left, west. So some special times, what do the map makers do? In some special cases, south will be shown on the top and north will be shown in the bottom. In some special cases, not always. Understand? Not always the south will be shown on the top and north will be shown in the bottom. Some special cases, what do the map makers do is, the south they show on the top and the north will be shown in the bottom. So when they show like this, they show that with the arrow mark in the map. Do you understand, children? Okay, children. So I think you have understood all these topics very clearly. So again, we'll meet in the next class for the next two topics. Until then, you go through the video and try to understand the lesson. Okay, children, bye bye and take care.